Good morning, I'm Natasha Erasmus, Manufacturing Supply Chain Executive for Crown Food Group. We have two manufacturing facilities in Cape Town, a dry plant where we manufacture mainly spices and seasonings, and a wet plant where we manufacture sauces and marinades. Our manufacturing facility is FSSC 22000 and BRC, as well as kosher and halal certified. The current dry plant capacity is around 2,500 tons per month, and we can blend, among others, herbs and spices, batch packs, dairy blends, sweet and savory blends. Due to recent supply chain challenges, we've increased buffer stock of raw materials, ensuring stock availability for our customers. We have a robust supplier quality assurance program, ensuring incoming raw materials conform to our stringent specifications. We have a steam sterilizer on site where locally farmed raw materials are steam sterilized to reduce the micro load in line with our specifications. We manufacture according to a strict allergen plan, reducing allergen cross-contamination and the need for alibi labeling. The dry plant has 8 blenders and 18 packing lines, filling from 20-gram sachets to 25-kilo bags, including tubs and shakers. The dry plant has inline rare earth magnets, inline sieves, as well as inline metal detection as part of our CCP program. We also have an X-ray machine that we use as an offline metal detector or X-ray as per customer requirement. The manufacturing team is continuously working to increase efficiencies through automation. We use iComply for IP protection, documentation storage and flow, and to drive compliance, and we use RightScan for traceability and stock rotation. We do a bit for sustainability by diverting organic waste from landfill, as well as a recycling program for non-organic waste. Our current solar panels reduces electricity use by 16%. And we are currently planning the second phase of the project. We also only install LED lighting. We make use of a bidding platform to ensure the lowest cost of transport, because the manufacturing team is here to ensure excellent products and excellent service in line with our ethos of we are here to help. Thank you for watching.